Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 Ford Taurus, and in this video I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your fan, your blower motor is not working. This video will apply to latest generation of Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. All the fuses and the relays will be located in a main fuse box, which is just next to the vehicle battery, right here. Now to move the cover, you will have two clips on this side, one here, one here. So you want to push them at the same time and lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, there is also a small fuse diagram. First fuse to check is fuse number 18, which is located right here, and it's a 40 amp fuse responsible for the power to the front blower motor relay. Next fuse is fuse number 89, which is a 5 amp fuse responsible for power to the front blower relay coil. After you have checked both of these fuses, there is relay number 34, which is located right here, so the one in the middle, and this is your front blower motor relay. Now to test it, the best idea is just try swapping it with one of these two, for example, and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.